Dell Warranty Check, what's it? How to use it? Here's a comprehensive guide to Dell Warranty Check, tailored to your methodical approach and interest in system optimization and support planning. What is Dell Warranty Check? Dell Warranty Check is a service that lets you verify the warranty status of any Dell device: laptops, desktops, servers, monitors, and accessories. It helps you determine whether your device is still covered, what type of support you're eligible for, when your warranty expires, options for renewal or upgrade. This is especially useful for planning repairs, avoiding out-of-pocket costs, and ensuring compliance with service contracts. How to check your Dell warranty, or reliable methods. 1. Dell Support website. Go to the Dell Support Services page, https://www.dell.com/support/contract-services/n-us. Enter your service tag or express service code, found on the device label or via bio/wmic. View warranty type, expiration date, and support options. 2. Dell Support Assist app, pre-installed on most Dell systems. Automatically detects your service tag. Offers warranty status, diagnostics, and support links. 3. Command line, Windows, open command prompt or PowerShell. Run, wmic BIOS get serial number or get SIM instance with 32_BIOS select serial number. Use the result on Dell Support site to check warranty. 4. Tech Direct, for IT teams, Dell's Enter. Multiple devices. Ideal for fleet management, warranty tracking, and service requests. Why it matters, especially for you. Given your interest in troubleshooting and system reliability, wmic, knowing your warranty status helps you avoid unauthorized repairs that void coverage. Plan hardware upgrades or replacements. Access premium support when needed. Ensure compliance with PCI DSS or enterprise IT policies.